If I gave you $10,000 right now and told you that you could double it just by talking to people better, would you listen? Because that's basically what's happening. Except most people are leaving that money and those opportunities on the table every single day. Let's be real. Nobody teaches you how to talk to people. You just kind of get thrown into life, into conversations, into awkward silences. And you can either figure it out or you don't. And here's the truth most people don't realize. Your life is directly shaped by how well you communicate. Your friendships, your relationships, your confidence, your career, your opportunities, all of it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the real, practical, elite level ways to get better at talking to people without becoming fake, cringe, or someone you're not. Firstly, stop trying to be interesting. Be interested. This is the biggest mindset shift. Most people go into conversations thinking, what do I say next? How do I sound smart? How do I not look awkward? That's why conversations feel forced. Instead, flip it. Your only job is to be curious. Ask better questions like, what made you get into that? What do you enjoy most about that? What's something most people don't know about it? And then actually listen. Not waiting for your turn to talk, really listen. When you do this, people instantly like you more. Conversations flow naturally. You remove the pressure from yourself. Because you're not performing anymore, you're exploring. Number 2, master the first 10 seconds. Most conversations are decided in the first few seconds. Not by what you say, but how you show up. Eye contact, relaxed posture, slight smile, calm energy. And then, just keep it simple. You don't need a perfect opener. Just say, hey, how's it going? What's your name? What do you do? That's it. People overcomplicate this. What happens when you master this? You stop overthinking. You start more conversations. You build confidence fast. Because confidence doesn't come from thinking, it comes from doing. Number 3, use the thread technique. This is one of the most powerful conversation skills you can learn. When someone says something, don't jump topics, pull the thread. For example, if they say, I just got back from Spain, most people say, oh nice, I've always wanted to go. Then the conversation dies. Instead, you can reply, what made you go to Spain? What was the best part? Would you go back there? You stay on the same topic and go deeper. When you do this, conversations feel effortless. You avoid awkward silences. People feel understood. And when people feel understood, they remember you. Number 4, get comfortable with silence. This is where most people panic. There's a pause, and suddenly your brain goes, say something, anything, quick. And then you say something random, and it kills the vibe. Here's the truth. Silence is not awkward, your reaction to it is. Confident people pause, they think, they don't rush. Practice this. Next time there's silence, just hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, then respond calmly. When you master this, you appear more confident, you stop rushing conversations, and your words carry more weight. Number 5, improve your energy, not just your words. People don't just respond to what you say, they respond to how you feel. If you feel nervous, they feel it. If you're closed off, they feel it. If you're relaxed, they feel it. So instead of obsessing over words, focus on your energy. Before conversations, take a breath, relax your body, slow down. When you do this, you instantly become more likable. Conversations feel natural, and you stop trying so hard. Number 6, practice daily. This is where most people fail. They watch videos like this, and then do nothing. You don't get better by learning, you get better by doing. Start small. Talk to a cashier. Say something to someone at the gym. Make a comment to a coworker. You don't need big conversations, you need consistent reps. When you do this, your confidence builds naturally. Social anxiety drops. Talking becomes second nature. Number 7, learn to tell simple stories. People who are good at talking are good at telling stories. Not long, boring ones, simple ones. What happened, why it mattered, what you thought about it. Take this for example. Yesterday, I tried this new gym. Honestly, I didn't expect much, but it ended up being one of the best workouts I've had in a while. That's it. When you do this, you become more engaging. People enjoy talking to you more. You stand out. Number 8, Stop trying to be perfect. This is the one that holds most people back. You think, I need to say the right thing. I can't mess this up. I don't want to look stupid. But here's the reality. People don't remember your words. They remember how you made them feel. You can stumble. You can mess up. You can be awkward sometimes. It doesn't matter. What matters is being genuine, being present, being real. If you actually apply this, your life changes. You'll make friends easier. You build better relationships. You open doors you didn't even know existed. You become more confident in every area. Because communication isn't just a skill, it's a multiplier. Let's be honest, if you don't improve this, you'll avoid conversations, you'll miss opportunities, you'll stay in your comfort zone, and you'll feel stuck watching others grow. And that adds up over time. Nobody is born good at talking to people. The people you think are naturally confident, they've just had more reps, more conversations, more awkward moments, more learning. And that's all this is. So start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Say something to someone, ask a question, start small. Because the more you do this, the easier it gets. And the easier it gets, the better your life becomes. If you want to keep improving yourself mentally, socially, and in every area, this is just the beginning. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.